All praise to the Most High, who is the power and source of the children of light, and share your glory with no man. We're going to do a little gematria again today. I was standing up on my patio looking into my courtyard, and I saw a red bird sitting on concrete wall. So I ran it through gematria. This is what I got. You know, each one of these words you see, red bird sitting on concrete wall, it represents something in gematria. So I put in red. This is what vibe with red. Eighth wave, divine wrath. So as I began to run the numbers and the names and the Most High began to speak to me about what vibes with it. And what vibe with eighth wave and divine wrath is tsunami, danger, judgment. Well, we know that the divine wrath of the Most High is judgment. And it is here. This eighth wave is going to be a tsunami. It's going to be some more things, some more natural disasters. You know, if you're staying around the ocean, big bodies of water, I suggest you move. Sorry about that, fam. I suggest you move. It's about to go down. You know, danger. You know, when you see red, you see danger. You know, so perilous times are here. Dangerous times are here, family. Get ready. Meat machine, gospel, Christian faith, evil heart, and it vibe with key to the book of Revelation. Psalm 141:9 says, keep me from the snares which they have laid for me, and the gins, which is traps, and the traps of the workers of iniquity. So the meat machine, gospel, Christian faith, evil heart, key to the book of Revelation. This religion, this gospel, this faith, it ain't just Christian, but all religions. They are traps and snares. The key to the book of Revelation is this: extermination, mark of the beast, snare, 5G. You know, it's all set up by Christianity, religion, the gospel, which is nothing but a spell. You see over in the Old Testament, the book of remembrance, or the Torah, the Most High doesn't talk about no New World Order or no mark of the beast. See, if you're part of the children of light and you're keeping those laws, statutes, and commandments, calling only on the Most High and not offering to idolatry and wickedness, this is not for you. See, you don't have to run off to no wilderness or into no bushes to hide, because it's the Most High who is going to protect us. How can you run in Esau's house? Or how can you run in this beast system when they know all the land? You can't run. This is what that 5G technology is about. They know exactly where you're at, where you're going. They have the technology. And this is about technology. You run up in those bushes, they may have claymore mines in there, booby traps. Come on now. Turn back to the Most High. Keep those laws, statutes, and commandments. but it's the only way out. Be careful who you're listening to. It's about to get wild here shortly. Psalm 38 and 12. They also that seek after my life lay snares for me. The snares are laid, people. There's no hiding. We hide in the secret place of the Most High. That's where our protection is. Psalm 64:5. They commune of laying snares, privily or privately. That's in secret. The snares have been laid. The traps have been set, people. We're in a time now to where it's all about technology. Once again, there's no running, there's no hiding. The Most High fights for us. It's the Most High who's going to protect us. Bird. Mikan think portal is open. Alien invasion of planet Earth is coming. And advised with fowls of the air. You know who the fowls of the air is. And also advised with beasts of the field. Fowls of the air are the demonic ones, the fallen. They're coming in. The invasion is coming. Psalm 51, the mighty. In Hebrews 14 is El. And God, which is 430, which is Elohim. So the Elohim is speaking. In Psalm 50, verse 1. And he's letting you know it in verse 11, which reads, I know all the fowls of the mountains and the wild beasts of the field are mine. You remember back in Genesis chapter 1 and verse 26, with the Elohim trying to take the place of the Creator, the Most High. Saying they created all the birds, which they created some wicked stuff. But it wasn't the Most High's creation. So they know each other. They know the fowls of the air. They all are wicked. They're all about the pain. City. Redbird City. And it vibe with the earthquake signals is coming. Calling for an alien intervention. This is end time stuff. It vibes with stars fall from heaven. Sun darken. Lightning from the east. Matthew chapter 24, verse 27. For as the lightning cometh out of the east, and shineth even unto the west. See, that's your return of Jebus, who is a hybrid, who is a fallen. It's not a man. Stars falling from heaven. Yeah, the comets are coming in. We see them. Also, the fallen, Lucifer and all those. They're coming. They're falling. The fallen is coming. Get ready for the electromagnetic pulse. It's going to cause us to be in darkness. Anywhere from 3 to 10 days. Get prepared, people. Get prepared. On. Redbird sitting on. The word on fire with Antichrist, guillotine in America. Separate the sheep from the goats. Isaiah 53 and 7 said he is brought as a lamb to slaughter. It's not Jebus he's talking about. That's the children of the Most High, Israel. They want to bring us to slaughter. And they're going to slaughter some of us because some of us are not out there, not keeping the law, statutes, and commandments. They're out there running these streets. They're doing wicked stuff. And they're not under the protection of the Most High. Revelation 20, chapter 20, verse 4 says, I saw the souls of them that were beheaded, guillotine, beheaded, for the witness of Jesus. Why are they beheaded? Because your wicked asses believe in a man, Jesus. It's telling you right here. It's like you can't comprehend it. Christians, those who still call him a man. This man that you're calling on, this is why you're going to be beheaded. Wake up. Turn back to the Most High. Once again, keep those laws, statutes, and commandments. Get out of idolatry. Come out of the church. Serve only the Most High. This lockdown coming ain't gonna be nothing nice. Red birds sitting on concrete. Concrete. And advice would destroy, destroy, destroy. To realize is see with real eyes. What does that mean? It means you got to have spiritual eyes. You got to be able to discern what's going on. That's some wicked shit going on right amongst the children of the Most High, and it's right amongst those that have been brought into the fold. Some of us are seeing it. And when the truth comes out, you are going to be shocked here real soon. 2 Kings chapter 6, verse 7. Elisha prayed and said, O Lord, please open his eyes that he may see. See, some of you can't see because you're not looking with spiritual eyes. You're still looking naturally. Matthew 13, verse 16. But blessed are your eyes, for they see. See, some of us can discern. Some of us have the eyes to see and the ears to hear. Some of us don't. Some of us don't. We're still looking at things naturally. You're going to miss it. You're going to miss it. How do you get these spiritual eyes and this discernment? One more time. By keeping the Most High's laws, statutes, and commandments. Calling only on the Most High and no one else. See, over the New Testament tell you that discernment is a gift. No, it's not. Discernment is something you sit down and you study the book of remembrance, which is the Old Testament. And you study the New Testament because you're going to find out that it's full of hijacks and manipulation. So you're going to know the truth too. And the Torah. So now once you begin to study and begin to get familiarized with the Most High's laws, statutes, and commandments and know the truth, then you can discern when somebody's lying to you. Because you can say this, but that doesn't line up with the Torah. That doesn't line up with the Most High's laws, statutes, and commandments. So it's bullshit. This is how you are able to understand the New Testament. It doesn't line up with the Most High's laws, statutes, and commandments. It's bullshit. Something's been added. Matter of fact, I don't know if I did it before, but let's do it now to make sure. Matthew chapter 20, verse 28. Now this is Jesus talking in red, referring to himself in the third person. Even as the Son of Man came, not to be ministered unto. The word minister means to be served. I think I may have done a lesson on this. But to minister. Okay? And to give his life for a ransom for many. That says bull crap. Right there. It's been added to right there. He didn't give his life. The Most High already paid to ransom it. Isaiah 43 and 3. I think I may have did a lesson on that. That was part of a lesson. I don't know for sure. But come on, that's a hijacking. Some of the verse is true, some of it's not. This is how you sell a lie. Some truth, a little truth, a lot of lie. Red bird sitting on concrete wall. Wall. Welcome to the New World Order. Is there any true justice left? Yeah, there is some left. He is the Spirit of the Most High. That is our justice. It is keeping those laws, statutes, and commandments. I can't say it enough. It's going to continue to go back to that. Welcome to the New World Order. Like I said earlier, the New World Order has nothing to do with the children of light. If you walk in the walk of those laws, statutes, and commandments, if you're totally dependent on the Most High and no one else, if you're not off into idolatry, witchcraft, wickedness, the New World Order can't harm you. It can't harm you, people. We've got to turn back to the Most High. We got to dig down deep because the time that we're in now is getting tougher. There's nothing to fear. You know you're doing what's right. You know without a doubt you're keeping those laws, statutes, and commandments and calling on the Most High. There's nothing to fear. The hedge of protection that he talks about in Psalm 91 will surround you. Surround you. As long as you're not sinning and transgressing. We're going to be all right here. Because some of the revelation I got here in the last couple of days, oh my goodness. Some of you, just like I found out and another friend of mine found out, we are targeted individuals. And I saw it in gematria. It vibed with me one day when I was studying. A lot of you don't even know you're targeted individuals. It's about to get wild. You're about to be shocked here real soon. What's going on? Real soon. The Most High is lifting the veil. And this gematria is a tool that he has allowed certain people to be able to use. Most people don't run it for the reason I run it. I run it to expose evil. Show you what's getting ready to come onto the earth. A lot of people do it for sports betting and gambling to make money. No, that's not where it's at for me. That's not where it's at for me. All praise to the Most High, who is the power and source of the children of light, and share the glory with no man. Be blessed, family. Pay attention, family. Pay attention and be blessed.